How to remove app from background on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Now, swipe to find the app that you want to remove from here. Then, press and hold that app. Here, select Remove App. Tap on Delete App if you want to delete this app from your phone. Or if you just want to remove it from the home screen, then tap on Remove from Home Screen. Removing from home screen will keep the app in your app library. You have now successfully removed this app from your home screen. You can repeat this to remove other apps from your home screen as well. Following these steps, you can easily remove app from background on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.